Wait. Move!
Punk.
Move! What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here for another episode of Franklin Stories. Today, at the day we all been waiting for is the heist. Today at the heist day, so I'm gonna link up with Michael and Trevor and carry out this heist here and try to get some money in my clothes. It's not gonna be pretty, it's gonna be messy. So before we do anything else, guys, please remember to like the video. Please remember to like the video. Also share the video, and also people, if you are new around here, please hit the subscription button. Like, please just subscribe, and make sure you click the notification bell to make you know when time I post a video, which is like every day or every other day now soon. So we jump straight into it and see what can go on. Franklin, let's go. So we're gonna link up the crew.
Your ass to use the John Chop.
Chop, you know what's here easy, dog. Look there. Chop, you know see easy, brother. Not even make your afford steak and you out here get steak. And you do them, dog. Me tired for training, me train, but you just not take no training. Your head tough, Chop. The head tough, brother. Yeah, man, me soon sell it, man. Me not have no time for you. Today me gonna roll out what me carry there? Oh, my big truck there. So police take my G-Wagon. Okay, alright. Actually, no. Because of the ice, I can't use my car, so I need to get a car. I don't know if anybody can make me borrow them Audi again. Oh, no have new car! Oh, no have new car! Double muffler! I thank you. Neighbor, I soon bring it back. Don't call the police. See, they don't leave it open for me. Thanks. I gotta bring it back. I promise. In one piece. When I have coffee, when I go a coffee shop, buy coffee and not give me none. It's alright. Then buy coffee and not give me none. Make a bus a reverse. But the Audi they look better still. The Audi they look better. I don't know why I want to get rid of the Audi. I want to keep on the Audi so I can drive it. But to be fair, I might bring that one back. I might not bring it back. I'm in a business. Come on! I dog walk you or you walk the dog? Which one? Can a dog walk you, man? Can you look a dog? I dog walk you, no? Can you there back? You for their front and I walk the dog. Good dog still, dog no yard. Dog no yard. I never mean to crash some people. Don't laugh, please. Just stop beating in the comment section so I can't drive. I know I can't drive. I am Jamaica's worst gamer after all. Deaf. Ugly like on it, ref. So, anyway, people, big up and thanks for the support that I have been getting. Can't stop thanking for that. 6,500 and odd. So oh no!
Hey, look out for police like
Sorry, dog. Me never look back at you because I don't want to see that side. Me not look back at me because I don't want to see that side there. I'm sorry. Oh! Anybody see that a while ago? Anybody see me crash out? Nobody not see me crash. Apart from them two people there when we nearly kill. But the greatest thing is nobody never have out them phone. Yeah. So the neighbor can mash up already. I'm far from my destination. Neighbor can mash up. So neighbor, we have to go do an insurance claim to get that car back.
Son, look, listen, stop it. No, don't do it. It's unbecoming.
I'm sorry, but me not bring it back. So coming up. Alright, my try go that way there. Wait, no man, just wait. Just wait, no brother. No try go that way, just wait. So, heist day, I could see who are the boss. You know, I link up with Dirty Trevor and Ugly Michael. Me buy two idiot masks for them. I buy the gangster mask for myself, as you know. So, make we do it. Big up Agseed, Big up Agseed. Big up the crew as well. Me soon jump back online and do some more city patrol. You don't have to cuss somebody do now. You don't have to cuss somebody do this a while ago. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad, my wrong. Soon jump back on city patrol and do some more city patrol. And we also need to do back then heist setup 2 and actually do a heist and get some money now we close. Where you see a while ago? Take out the phone and me kill you. Okay. Run! Do a bounty walk! Walk a crackhead and that's a bounty walk. Do. Hey, do what, sir? What going on, sir? Hold on. I know your husband, that, my girl. That is not your husband. I know your husband, this, you know.
Whatever.
What do you mean, whatever? I know your husband, this.
I don't
Open your
believe it.
damn eyes.
One tuner. Your husband gonna work and make you see on woman. Wicked. The husband a try him hard. Wrong one man. No make me reach one before you know. Oi. No make me reach one before you.
She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
That me I tell you. Drive me a drive and I run you run. Try reach one before me. Me I go tell your husband everything if me not get none.
That just took a weird turn.
Me know what I'm doing one man. Like some man a runway. Hitch up on roadside with man. A bun cigarette. Tune man. Anyway, so we're here at the ice now. So Franklin, well not Franklin, Trevor Yard. Not the Trevor Yard today. Well, Trevor abandoned some. Trevor take over some of the yard. I'm gonna go upstairs, go link him. Probably Michael up there too. I'm gonna go see what I go on. Up there. Open sesame.
It's not like that.
What's not like that?
What am I do?
You and him, the old father-son issues, gives me the fucking creeps.
Trevor, take down your foot.
Oh, it's excellent. You want to go?
No, I'm good, dog.
Hey, I called you boys here to discuss this job that I've been planning.
The fuck are you talking about?
Shut the fuck up, Michael, all right? You owe me.
Hey, did you talk to Lester?
I called him. He's in the hospital or something, all right? We keep him out and we get 20%. Have me arrested.
Hey, it wasn't like that.
You better not have been.
I mean, like, you give a fuck.
See, I give a fuck, Michael. It's a position, a fucking viewpoint, all right? Like God, like evolution, like anything else. Sunshine, boredom, lies, that's what we got. Other people, they have other worlds, but for me, I'm like a vulture just circling the desert looking for fucking corpses, you know, a carrion-eating motherfucker. Do you understand that?
Wow. Woo! Bravo, you fucking idiot.
Man, I still don't get the score. What's the fucking plan?
We got Floyd, all right? Now, Floyd's got... Not the... Fuck! Get out of here, all right? Now, Floyd here works for... puts me onto Merryweather Security, who were running some tests out at sea for Uncle Sam. We're gonna take whatever it is they're testing. Now, got a couple buyers lined up. I guarantee no problems, no major heat. Let's get going, all right? Let's take our slightly past dead vibe to an airfield where I got a sub, got a chopper, I got everything we need. All right, let's do this, you fucks!
Oh, what I eat that, you know? Crow! Look on the crow.
Sandy Shores Airfield, bro.
So I guess I forgot to do the party as Michael people, so sorry about that. I'm coming, man. So I forgot to do the party as Michael.
Sandy Shores. That's quite a distance.
What's with this guy?
Man, I didn't realize we was going all the way out there either.
I've been told your generation are work shy. Repeatedly. But this is the first time I've seen it for myself. You won't leave the city for the biggest take of your life?
Man, it's not like that.
Well, what is it like, huh? You think the world owes you a living? You want money and respect, but you won't cross the street to get it.
That useless millennial shit is more of a middle-class thing. Where I'm from, hustling is still hustling. And going halfway across the state is still, going halfway across the state.
Yeah, well, Sandy Shores is the global headquarters for TP Inc., okay? So we gotta make the trip.
TP Inc.
Trevor Phillips Industries. My company.
Industries or Incorporated?
Yeah.
If it's TP Inc., it'd be Trevor Phillips Incorporated.
Yeah.
Just saying.
You're mocking me. Nice. Is it so strange that I've made a success of my life? I know that wasn't what you wanted for me when you ran off, but still.
Trevor.
It's a business, Michael, an honest American business, and there
You
are
honest, Trevor?
many of them left. Hey, you know this airstrip we're going to, we're managing it.
Yeah, I hate to think what you did to the last managers.
The Lost MC LLP experienced an unexpected downturn. We had to step in.
The Lost Motorcycle Club. Yeah, you're a serious businessman, T.
I cannot believe this. The
Alright, people, check out my driving. Check out my driving for actually reach over there now.
Shit from a guy so
I go try
lazy
drive
he
good. I go
retired
try
in his
drive good. Me up on the
30s.
highway.
And then from this other guy whose sense of entitlement is so strong, he asks how far we had to travel when he's offered a job he ain't even qualified to do. This is why the country is screwed. There's not enough me's. There's too many you's.
Yeah, a country full of yous. That's just what this world needs.
Shit would get done. It would be Darwinian.
Hey, look, dude, we helping you out. But if you think you'd be better off on your own...
No, hey, look, hey. God, just let's calm down, all right? We have a score to take. There is profit to be made. I mean, don't that beat getting picked up by G-men and forced to work for free?
Yeah,
Look on the driving
all right.
skill, people. What I
Walk us
say?
through exactly what's going on.
We're going out to Sandy Shores.
I know that part.
My guys will
shit,
meet us
please.
there. They'll have the
No.
submarine.
Listen.
I'm
Wait,
gonna
wait,
get
wait,
into
come on,
said submarine that... Wait, hold on. You had the flying lessons, right?
Ah, flying lessons. Right. You know, I was gonna have them. And then...
Oh, you
Michael can't
total
fly.
idiot.
Hey, what's the next part of the plan?
There's an
Yeah.
army chopper at the airfield. You're both getting into it. Michael's flying. He's gonna take off, pick up the submarine with me in it, and flying out to a point off the coast. You're gonna
That's it?
drop me into the ocean. I'll pilot the sub down to find the device the government's been testing. I'll get it, surface, you'll fly me back to the airfield.
Really?
What kind of device?
What kind doesn't matter. How much will be paid for it does matter.
These are government scientists we're robbing.
I said at the condo. The tests are being run by Merriweather Security Consulting.
Ah, yes, the mercenaries. Fresh from fighting our secret oil wars. Should be very
Watch it.
relaxed.
If you look back at you.
Stealing a prototype
People
like
may not
this
crash one
from the
time.
government was relaxing.
If you look back at him.
And
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
everyone would be doing it. As it stands, we've got an opportunity to mint some
Ah! Ah! People, no, hold on.
This sounds
Make we
extreme,
justify this yes or no. That crash a while ago. Was this my fault? Talk the truth.
How deep are you?
Me a come at speed, it's my right away. Me a go straight. Him a come from down the so fi turn left up the so. Him a fi wait until the road is clear before him actually cross it and come on my side. So that is not my fault. I mean I take that.
I might add.
Not take that.
And here's my submarine! Floyd, wait! Stand by the hangar.
Alright, let's go. Night chopper. We're done.
There's a rig attached to your chopper. Hover low over the submarine and they'll connect.
Let's go.
Were you too busy sipping mimosas by the pool to take your flying lessons?
Oh, go back, go back up. Hey, go back up!
You wanna help him with the stick? He needs to be hovering just above the sub.
Alright, me I try. But because Michael can't fly. Oh gosh. Go up.
Above the submarine.
Don't tell me for overlook above nothing, dog. Not over there now. Alright, cool. Go to my submarine. Go. Okay, there we go. There you go. Come on. Look it now. People, unless it's not over there somewhere something. Alright, let's go. Hook. Hook not alright. Get what I did. Get what I did.
Trevor, you got your company name sprayed all over this chopper. But everything else about
Hook him.
it says military.
Hook him. Hook him.
I
Hook
got
him.
it from the
No.
military base. There's all this military hardware in the back.
Get what I did.
And whatnot.
Into the back.
This thing gets hot. It'll come in handy.
Yo, alright, try again.
You said no major heat. That you guaranteed it.
Yo, oh my god, that's so that. Alright, over. Watch your submarine. Submarine destroy already. Mission I can feel quick before it even starts.
Man, what am I doing? Oh, really? You don't
Alright,
take
lift up.
doors.
Lift up, lift up, lift up. Okay, come back, lift up, lift up.
Franklin, I say
Go
this
front,
is
go
a
forward.
conversation
That's it.
between you.
Oh, alright. Thank you.
Eventually.
Let's go. Let's go. Finally. Alright, so I'm gonna take Trevor over here, so I'm drop him off into the ocean. And go do the other part. I don't know what to do, but yeah, we are doing it.
It was a pretty tight job, though, eh? I mean, the planning was there. They
Fire, me, I'm going
planned, right? They got out clean. I mean, there were some problems, but they kept their head, right? Yeah, pulled it off. All right. It was us. Of course it was us.
Don't drop him off here, sir. Chat too much.
Bolingbrook now. Nah, there were some weak points. I mean, whoever fed that cheesy line to the parking guy, that guy, amateur. Yeah,
They're foolish about talking. People, please leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and let us know. Me not do no trick question in another one, yeah. Me not go in a question in another one, yeah. In the next one, I will give you the answer to the question I asked in the last one, which is the high setup. You understand? So I will do the shout out in another one there. You understand? Yeah. Who tell it on the mountain, over the hills and far away? Who tell it on the mountain, the submarine is coming? Yeah.
Drop point. I can see some platforms on the water.
Oh,
it might
shit.
be a testing station.
So hold on. Me have to drop this pan the...
Just going down the coast. These guys better not be involved with our shit.
Okay. Really submarine down here, so alright, cool. Let go!
Once the Trackify app is up and working, I'll be on my way.
I have to track something. Target found.
I'm reading the signal.
Okay, behind me. Alright, turn around. Okay, here we go. Alright, straight ahead. Come on, let's soon find it. Come on. People, if you not enjoyed these episodes of Franklin Stories and want some more, let me know in the comment section. Please let me know. I know say on did say on want some more missions and stuff. So this is a mission I'm doing. So hope you appreciate it.
Can that thing handle the pressure?
It's safer at the bottom of the ocean than it is strapped to the helicopter you're
Shot
flying.
them, man.
Here it is. It's been secured to the seabed. I'll see if I can pry it loose. Got it. Sorry people, me not do much talking in the video because I want to hear what them are saying. That's why I not do much talking in the video.
Like nuclear?
Yeah, the good kind of nuclear.
And is this what your buyer was after?
Yeah, well for sure. No, we'll be paid, Frankie. We will be well paid.
What's up? Alright, so we reach back up at the surface now. Just a little bit more to go. Then we're above water now.
Hey, you got everything? Can I pick you up?
Alright, come pick me up, dog. Wait there. Yo, this have to be perfect, you know, man. Me can't mess about with this, you know.
Alright, come and get me.
Just wait, man. It have to be perfect. Can't mess about with this cause the water me depend. Water me dep on. Lower.
Lift me up. Let's go.
This have to be perfect. This have to be perfect, people. Come, oh.
You got it.
Yes!
Now come on.
Got him!
Let's go back
Get
to the
it
airfield.
first time. Look at
Push
that.
the stick, Michael. We gotta move.
Look at that.
I'm using an app on my phone, which means the private army guarding it can find it pretty easy too. Really, Trevor? That's just great.
For the people that might ask me to play. Oh God,
See
someone's
what you
back
can do about our tail.
All right, General, ready?
Helicopter on the right with a few more boats. Other side, I need you on the right.
Put them there. Okay, boat on the top. Hold that. Oh, gunshot them. Yes, gunshot them. Switch side.
Oh, steady, here we go.
Hold them gunshot ya. Lift out. To the pilot. On it. Yes, dead hot.
Got him.
Dead hot.
Oh, look at this. 4 choppers coming at us.
Hey, chopper come, man. To the pilot. Yeah, pilot get shot already now. Watch out, pilot shot you know. Not dead. Hold them ya. Have them ya. Hold them ya. That officer, what kind of hold them ya? Hold them ya. When me tell yourself, hold them. Look at my shot, my boss, and I can't shoot the little helicopter. Move, man. Shot. Come, switch side. I'm there. You're there. Come. Boss him. Now we have time for the helicopter, you know. Boss him. Lift out.
Coming from behind us. Swing around. Give me a shot at it. No, we can't shoot that big a target. Can you open up the rear door?
Oh, them a shoot me. Come on, man. Get him. Hold him. Down him skin. Come again. Down him skin. Go and go crash, boy. Go on a river. Go on a sea, boy.
Another chopper.
See you next Tuesday, idiot. Hold that one ya. Time on our waist, you know.
That's all of them for now. All right.
Alright, switch back to Michael and now.
Going to the airstrip.
Alright, here we go, people. We're gonna touch down. Helicopter under pressure, you know. Helicopter under whole pressure. Alright, fly low, get low. Release. Go. Yeah.
Do you know what you've done? The wire is going fucking crazy.
Oh, and good to see you too. What's it been? Not 10 years?
After this, the government won't care how long it's been. They're gonna put you and everyone you ever knew on their kill list. And you! I thought you would be smarter than this.
What'd I do?
Stealing a super weapon to sell to the Chinese!
Damn, T. This some nuke or some shit?
I thought you said you spoke to him.
Yeah, I did. Okay? Kind of. I mean, he was all woozy and shit. It doesn't matter, all right? It's done. We've got it.
Well, we could put it back. You drop it in the sea by the time they get a salvage operation together.
No!
Oh, so you want a drone circling your trailer?
We'll get you another score, Trevor.
You owe me! Wait, get in that chopper. Listen to whatever this fucking moron has to say.
Okay!
All right, and on that note, I'm out of here. You won't be seeing me back here in a long time.
Hey! We need a score! Remember!
Man, I thought I was done not getting paid for these licks.
Hello? Me too!
But now listen to you. No, yes, man. Yo, what a mad man! I'm mad boy, this you know. Yo, ice pack. Yeah. Wash off now at my bill. So as you can see, the ice pass from the last one. Me go for my car where they down at the impound. Go for my car, cause I know them police have my car. Neighbor, me need to wanna buy a new car? Wanna buy a new car, neighbor? Wanna love me, man? Wanna just love yo, me not drive my car, go for my next car. No, me take that car here. Jeep. So that's one of the ice done. I have a next ice for do by the looks of things, so I will do that ice in the next episode if I can. You understand? Yeah. So me I run go take my car out of the impound because me need my car for day in the garage, not in the impound. Police just love bad mind people, so because
hey, you got off lucky, homie.
the money when me depend a day, I that them depend a year. Them can't match up to that speed there. You see it? So them bad mind the thing, wicked. So them take on my car. Every second them get them take on my car. So me just go back for that. You understand? Cause of my thing see man, you know my thing go already, man. Load. Bust the cloud. So I'm gonna go for my car, people. Look on them driving there. Look there. What I say now? I'm gonna using special ability. Watch there. Tips him. Watch it now. Shoot it. Oh. Oh God, I'm sorry, sir. You alright? You good? Where you bite there? You bite there east and you there north. Sorry about that. On your bike. Sorry. I'm sorry, but me need your bike. Have my car? Yeah. You're gone. Okay. Me not tell you if you have my car and then when you finish you bring it back to the house where the next door me in the street where me live next door. You must can find it, man. Just look on the house where me live in next door me. Upon the street where me live in you will find it. You will find where the car belong to. But you never listen, so. Oh, me crash it, sir. So people, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button. That really helps me a lot for YouTube push you out. And also, if you're new around here, please subscribe and don't forget to share it with your friends them so your friend them can have the laugh and the enjoyment where you have. So if them have a bad day, them can come over JWG and go have a very laughful. That makes sense. A funny day. Police.
Damn.
Where my car there?
It'd be so much easier without them.
I don't give a shit.
Police, where my green car there? Wanna take with dog? Wanna come back shift just for have where my car there? Gotcha now. More say which part you put a cigarette but the cars. Police supposed to
a real hard ass.
I don't give a shit.
Police not supposed to litter and police not supposed to do anything like that. Wait! Move!
Punk.
Move! You want me? Want me car on the thief? I'm telling the truth, people. My purple car again. Me not see my purple car anymore. Me not see my purple car. What them do with my purple car? Anyway, this is how I got in the episode of people. So I'm see you in the next episode. Move! Hey boy! Hey girl! Hey boy! Move!
You still hard, huh?
Run. People, so thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Move! If you like the episode, don't forget to leave a like on the episode. Please hit the subscribe button. Cause I know say no fun where I watch. Don't subscribe to the channel. But hit the subscribe button, guys, and I really appreciate it. So guys, I will see you guys in the next episode. I might do a next heist another one there as well. If you enjoy that one, let me know. Alright? So I will see you when I see you. Peace.